Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you remove someone from Cash App favorites. So here's a guide to edit your recents and also your contacts list. Step 1. Remove the contact from your app favorites list. Launch the official Cash App on your smartphone. Tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. Scroll down and select the Favorites menu tab. Locate the specific user account or cash tag you want to drop. Tap the Remove button position directly next to their contact details to clear them from your featured shortcut rows. Step 2. Revoke Cache App access to your phone contacts list. Open the Primary Settings app on your iOS or Android mobile device. Navigate to the Apps or Applications Manager subfolder. Select Cache App from your installed software list and tap on Permissions. Toggle the contacts access switch completely off. Disconnecting your address book prevents Cache App from automatically pulling that person into your suggested or recent recipient streams. Step 3. Block the account to wipe them from recents completely. Open Cash App and tap the search bar or the activity tab. Search for the target person's name, phone number, or email address or unique cash tag. Tap their avatar name profile to slide open their dedicated transaction card panel. Scroll down to the bottom of their profile page and select the block or report option. Confirm your choice to immediately erase your shortcut profile from your recent contacts grid and prevent them from sending future money requests. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.